Hence, kayak trip. Oh, they're gonna take me out. That was crazy. Dude, I thought I was done. I thought I was done for sure. Oh no!
Oh my gosh! Look at the next one!
Oh my god.
Holy shit! Someone's on it!
Look at all the skates that shadow Biley.
Oh dear God.
Oh no! Look at this shocking footage. Massive waves are tearing through the northern coast of Peru.
Oh! No! Pobrecitos los pescadores, huevón. Tienes abuela, huevón.
Mira, mira.
¡Ay, lo mata, huevón! ¡No! ¡No!
Look at this. The sheer power of nature is on full display as a massive avalanche barrels down the mountainside, crashing into the river below. Oh my God! What a breathtaking spectacle! When birds suddenly take flight in perfect sync, you know something's not right. These blackbirds in Greece create an eerie spectacle before they vanish into the sky.
Nah, jadi di sini ada suatu fenomena alam ya. Ini gunung baru muncul ini. Tepatnya berada di Gerobokan, Jawa Tengah.
Look at this incredible sight. Witness the dramatic emergence of a new mud volcano in Grobogan, Central Java, Indonesia. See how bubbling mud and gas erupt from beneath the surface. It's like nature's own spectacle.
Seperti wong udah jenang. Oh. Jadi gunung ini ketinggiannya itu sekitar 15 meter ya. Ini tepatnya saya berada di atas ini.
Experience the raw power of nature as molten lava churns inside this volcanic lake. The fiery glow lights up the surrounding crater, a stunning reminder of Earth's untamed inner forces. This awe-inspiring sight shows us the incredible processes that have been shaping our planet for millions of years.
Regarde même le tunnel, regarde là.
While peacefully surfing, this woman suddenly finds herself surrounded by killer whales. Oh my God! These top predators of the ocean swim curiously around her, creating a heart-pounding moment.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh God. It's fine. Hi. Hi, buddies. Oh my God. Oh my God.
But thankfully, the encounter ends without harm, and she paddles away safely. What an unbelievable experience.
این الان چندین سال همین جوریه نگاه کنین یعنی واقعا آقایونی که
Fire on water. What an incredible sight. Look at this from Sari, Iran. where natural methane gas seeps through the water and ignites, creating this rare and mesmerizing phenomenon. It's a stunning reminder of nature's hidden wonders. Look at this stunning sky over Böblingen, Germany. On December 27th, 2024, vivid lightning lit up the crimson horizon, creating a breathtaking natural spectacle.
Jo, es sieht wirklich aus wie der Weltuntergang. Wow.
Oh no, a group of sheep on the roof. How is that even possible? Watch this hilarious scene as a man tries to get them down. Did they form a secret climbing team? This is too funny to miss.
Офигеть. Мне так жалко их.
A surprising discovery on the water. While navigating a lake, a fisherman spotted something unusual floating. As he got closer, he realized it was a spider monkey struggling to stay afloat. These incredible creatures, known for their long limbs and prehensile tails, are expert tree climbers, but poor swimmers. Thankfully, the fisherman successfully reached his destination, safely bringing the monkey to land.
Oh shit!
Oh my god!
Тише, матом не ругайся. Там дна нет. Ты видишь, что здесь?
Wow! A massive deep hole discovered in Russia. How did this even form? It's both fascinating and terrifying. A true example of nature's unpredictable power.
Innalillahi, es. Budget bandang.
Check out the floodwaters surging through lush green fields, leaving a trail of debris and destruction behind. Oh my God, this is a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable and relentless power, reshaping the land in moments of overwhelming force. A girl approached the Dukono volcano crater, filming the eruption just meters from the vent. This active volcano on Halmahera Island in Indonesia showcases nature's raw power. Oh my God, check out the speed of this storm. Check out this breathtaking water spout in Thailand. It's pulling water from the sea with incredible force, rising high into the sky. The raw power of nature is on full display as the clouds and sea connect in this mesmerizing, almost magical moment. Oh my God! Look at this huge python crossing a busy road in Dehradun, India. Traffic comes to a complete stop as the massive reptile slithers across. with stunned onlookers capturing the rare moment.
अकेला में तो ताकि फट जाती है, भीड़ में किसी की फट रही है। नदी के पुल के पास जो है अजगर दिखा।
Oh wow! Have you ever seen a flying fish before? Check out the sound of this bird.
Bro, look at these clouds. What's going on? What is that?
But look over there, there's a circle one that's the actual cloud.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I got that on video!
Wow, look at this. Tourists in the desert were shocked when their hair stood on end after a sandstorm, caused by static electricity in the air. Nature's mysterious side at its best. Etna erupts again on June 22, 2024. Check out the explosive summit activity as lava spits from the Voragine crater, showcasing the raw power of this active volcano. Look at this incredible sight. In the heart of a snowy forest, a tree burns brightly despite the freezing cold. Was it lightning or a hidden spark that caused this? The mix of fire and frost creates a mesmerizing scene, reminding us just how raw and unpredictable nature can be.